Hey guys, this video is the continuation of previous struct video. Here we learn more about structure like call by reference, structure method, and export and import structure from the different packages. So earlier what we did, we passed this variable or this variable, the structure, as a call by value. The call by value, we know that we have one issues with the performance. It will make the two copy in the memory. So if we pass a call by reference or pass a address of a variable or structure, we will pass the same copy of that particular variables or object. So we should use the, whenever we need to pass as a parameter, we should use the pointer, okay? Or either you can say the address of the particular variable. Let's make a new functions. Over here, we'll use pointer. Over here, we'll receive a pointer. So I'm just making the new copy so that actually you guys will get all the source code separately, and you can download the source code in the description link. I put it, the GitHub URL, there you can download it. Over here, we are receiving the pointer. So this is my functions. To receive the pointer, I need to simply write down this one. That's it. So this is the reference variable. This is the pointer, we receive it. And we know that in the last time what we learned is to receive the value of the pointer, we can write down like a way also. So this is, it's our choice if you want to write down this way or this way. Both are the result will become same. So let's run it. Save, go, run, main.go. When we hit, we got both the result are the same, almost same result we will get it. Okay. Next example. Okay. Next thing. Okay. As I already told you, Go structure support the function also, or we can say Go structure actually inside init Go structure we can define the function also. That function we call method. Okay, and that is special kind of method that will directly attach to the structure. So over here right now we'll see ABC3, we will see only we have these three property. Here we want actually there should be some function also. That function basically we can work. That function is actually do some functionality related to that structure. Like we have class. Class is actually we have properties and the behavior. Means on that particular property, if we want to do some behavior, we can do. So if we will talk about object oriented, so everything is classified or everything is divided as an entity, and every entity have there some could be possible have some properties and some functionality. So in structure also we can add some properties. Okay, so as I told you earlier also, the structure is very similar to the class. So let's add the function on the structure. So that we call method. Okay, so the bracket will become on this one after the func word, and suppose I'm just writing down actually get user detail. Here we will receive the user object over here. Okay, and here we need to write down fmt.println, or either I can copy paste this one also fine. Okay, so once I receive the structure, I need to simply write down u dot first name, u dot last name, and u dot age. Okay, so now I don't need to pass a parameter. I need to just simply write down abc3 dot get user detail. I will get the user detail. Like as we pass the reference, same way we can pass the reference also. So how we'll say, suppose yes, we can use this one. We are passing new age and we are updating the existing age. So suppose I wanted to call abc3 and over here update age. Update age. Here we can pass some parameters. Suppose I'm updating the age, and we know that once we update the age, it will change the image on that particular address. So definitely the value also will change it over here. Okay, so to differentiate, let me add some delimiter over here. I'll just copy this one and I'll paste it over here. Okay, let's run it. Earlier it was 21. Sorry, what was the previous age was 20, and now it will become 21. Let's run it. So when we done, you can see the 21 is the age now. So it will modify the age. Earlier it was the 20. So now age is 21. So like this way, we can pass the value, and this is we call method. So this method will attach to directly on structure. Okay. So our program is growing. So now let's separate our program into different packages. So to separate the program, I'm just making a folder over here, user, and inside in it, I'm making a new file that is called user. Over here, I need to define the package. I'm defining the package user. Now I'm just cut down all the structure code and paste it over here and below also, all this thing also. And we know that earlier also we learned about it. If package if we wanted to be access this package variable into another file, the name should be the first character of the name of the package or function, name of the structure or function or variable, it should be capital only. If we need to access, it should be capital, otherwise we cannot able to access. Okay, we'll see exactly practically over there, and now it does not have error. Okay, one more thing, to access the package we require modules. So let's make the module. We need to write on go mode init and one of the module names. So I'm just giving struct example. So now my module is created. This is module. So now to access the package, I need required module name and the package name. But what is the package name is? Package name is user. So I need to write down module name dot slash package name. Okay. So suppose I wanted to use it over here. So I'll simply write down user dot. Okay. So this user is nothing the package. Okay. This is not actually that one. So let me change, copy and paste it. Okay. This is now it's came. Here also same thing we want. Let me change all these places. So now we can see over here get user detail we wasn't able to access. Why? Because get user detail in small letter. So I need to be just capitalize the first character of it. Now I can able to access it. Okay. So now we separate out it. Okay, and this is the way we can get it also, and this is the way we separate out. So structure we have separate file, and normal all the functions whatever the display purpose we have in separate file. One more thing, suppose I wanted to create a functions over here that will return a structure. So suppose I will say new user, and definitely n should be the capital, and suppose it will get first name, last name as a string, age is coming integer. These three parameters it will receive, and we need to be return it. So I'll just simply say return over here, and this definitely the first property is first name, and I need to write down property of structure. So first name and last name I need to over here, right? This is the way I need to write down. So now I need to write down the return type also. This is the return type. Okay, so this is the new user. So this new user I can receive over here fmt dot suppose println. Here we'll write down user dot new user, and here we can pass some username. Suppose I'm passing it a v and username, and over here his surname is, last name is this one, and age is actually 10 years old. Okay, this way we can receive the structure. Okay, we can receive into variable and we can utilize it also somewhere else. So earlier also we used, if you remember, one of the packages that we call errors, and errors we have one function that we call new. Okay, there we can write down some string. This is the new functions. Similarly over here also we have the new user. So rather than writing down new user, we can give this to new also. Generally all the Go is also following, this is the naming convention. So we should be also if we wanted to be written any structure, or we can make it the new functions, we know that that belongs to a particular package, so it will actually just create the new user only. Okay, so in this video we learn structure pointer, structure method, and packages, how to move or how to export and import the package from one file to another file. Okay, so in next video we will complete the structure. There we will learn about the remaining part of it. For example, about the JSON, we can export and we can convert struct object into JSON and JSON to struct object also. There we learn the tagging also. We will learn chaining and inheritance, or either we can say structure embedded. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.